Holy tzaddikim, tzaddikot. Hope everybody is doing great. This is actually my first keeping it real of the summer right now from Chutz La'aretz, from America. We're going to be in camp again for the summer in Camp Kaylee. Definitely be in touch. I'd love to be in touch with all of you if we can meet up at some point during the summer. That would be amazing. Okay, so we are in Parshat Behaalotcha. Behaalotcha has amazing things in it. It actually starts with the concept of Aaron lighting the menorah each day in the Mishkan, and that is the job of the Kohen Gadol to light the Mishkan each day in the Mishkan, and then obviously later on in the Beit Mikdash. But I wanted to give you guys an idea also that I thought it was very powerful for your lives. There's an amazing pasuk that actually happens a bit later in the parsha. That when I think about you guys and the journey that you're on, it really sticks out to me. It says the pasuk, Al pi Hashem yachanu ve'al pi Hashem yisa'u. That according to the word of Hashem, we should travel, right? We should settle, and according to the word of Hashem, we should travel, right? It's referring to the ananei kavod, the magical clouds that God gave the Jewish people when they were in the desert, that provided protection and warmth, etc. But also the clouds would move to symbolize that was time for the Jewish people to get up and move, and they would settle and symbolize when the Jewish people would settle. At night, there was the amudei ish. There was the magical pillar of fire, right? That was there again for protection, for warmth, and also would move to show the Jewish people when it was time to move, and settle when it showed the Jewish people it was time to settle. I thought to myself, this is an amazing idea, because everybody knows that there's a special hashgacha, there's a special watching over that the Jewish people have in the land of Israel, that God puts his presence most strongly in the land of Israel to watch over the Jewish people. But what we're learning here is that where did this ananei kavod, the special clouds, and the amud ish, the special pillar of fire, where did those things actually happen? In the desert. Not in the land of Israel, in the desert, which means for all of you, myself now included, that are outside of the land of Israel. Don't ever think for a second that Hashem's presence is not with us everywhere we go, and that we shouldn't travel with Hashem, and we shouldn't settle unless we have Hashem. That means Hashem is with us all the time. Remember way back when you were in Bar-Ilan, I actually gave a class about the existence of Hashem, and we said that the concept of seeing is believing is not true. Seeing does not equal believing, but believing equals seeing. A person who believes that Hashem is with us, you'll end up seeing him everywhere. You'll see the hashgacha, the presence of Hashem, the feeling of Hashem constantly with us, if we believe. So for all of us that are traveling on our travels in the desert, like I am right now, Hashem is with us everywhere. And our job is to find him, find his presence inside of us, wherever it is that we are, and try to be our best and our holiest no matter where we are. And with that, we should all have the most incredible Shabbat, wishing all of the Holy Tzaddikim and Tzaddikot Shabbat Shalom.